Shreyas, incredible game of cricket. Congratulations on the win, but would like to hear your thoughts.
My thoughts, it's hard to express in words. I was just backing my instincts. I saw the ball was turning a bit, asked Yuzi to control his breathing as much as possible because, the wickets were important and we needed to be attacking. And thankfully, right players were there at the right place. And I'm not able to talk. It's tough to digest the victory. And such victories actually benefit you at the end.
I know it's difficult because it's still very overwhelming, the kind of result it is, but let me make it slightly easier for you. I'll break it down. Let's start with the batting first. Obviously, you wanted to bat first, wanted to put the runs on the board. The start was reasonably good, but the follow-up wasn't that. How would you put that down to?
See, obviously, I personally felt when I went out to bat, I faced two balls. One stayed low and one hit the bottom and absolutely carried. And other players there who are good in sweeping the balls were not able to connect it. So obviously, there was a variable bounce in the wicket. And we got to a decent total, to be honest, looking at the victory with 16 runs.
Yeah.
I think, we batted decently. But other than that, what I made out of the wicket was, it was variable. And the bounce wasn't consistent. So, we had that at the back of our mind and we discussed with the bowlers to stay in the stumps as much as possible. And they executed the plans really well.
Before Yuzi came into bowl and after Yuzi started picking those wickets, obviously the belief must have been there even before you crossed those ropes and coming out there and defending. But what was the chatter around? What was the discussion around? How did the belief spread around in the group?
So obviously, 2 wickets in 2 overs, that gave us that kind of momentum, but the 2 batters later came in and they took the momentum towards them. And then suddenly, when we saw Yuzi came and started turning the ball, our hopes and expectations went higher. And from there on, I just started believing that we can turn the game from here. So I wanted the field to be attacking right in front of the batsmen so that they would make some mistake or try some different shots, which they did. And the tide turned towards us.
What are your words going to be in that dressing room after the batting performance, after this incredible fielding and bowling performance?
See, it's important that we stay humble and not get overhyped from this win. I think this win is definitely going to create a lot of boost. It is important we take all the positives and the belief that we possessed right from ball one and try and execute the same thing in the next match.
I hope it's a better game for you as well with the bat, but certainly the result going in your favor, so congratulations and go well in the future tournament.
Thank you so much.